what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a pretty fun day. As you guys know, I've owned the Integra for like 5 years or something. Well, today, getting new wheels. So I tell you what they are, but I'd rather show you guys. But for me to get the wheels, I had to do something. See if you guys can tell. No more carbon fiber, because I'm selling my carbon fiber hood. And with that money, and with the money from the carbon fiber hood, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy some new wheels for the Integra. So the guy should be picking up the hood soon. And what I'm gonna do meanwhile is I'm just gonna wait and be back when I'm done waiting. Yeah, I think it makes sense. Alright, the guy picked up the hood already. Yo, I'm excited, dude. 5 years of owning the same car and finally getting new wheels. Yo, this is like old bad timing. So, because I'm supposed to be at work in half an hour and it takes half an hour to get to work. And I'm gonna be late because I'm supposed to be there at 3 and it's like 2:30 and we're gonna go pick up wheels. So, where are these? Man, it's so nice having a car with AC. I have an AC too in my car. Windows. You got the wheels, boy. So I'm not gonna show you guys just yet, but this one needs a tire because it pretty much doesn't have much tread. Yeah, tread. You sure? It doesn't sound right. Tread?
It's tread.
I mean, when you say it out loud, I don't know, man. It don't sound right. Alright, but yeah. We're gonna go to the house, we're gonna install them. So these ones weigh so much compared to the ones that I have, which are like the GSR Starfish. But also, I apologize for looking so crusty. Like, I swear to God, I shower. Yeah, what's up, you guys? So sorry about that. It is now the next day. So what happened was I had to go to work. So just got the wheels. Left them at the house and I installed them this morning. Sorry, I was too excited. I was just too excited, so I just went ahead and installed them. So yeah, man, I like them. Like, at first I didn't like them, but as time goes on, like, I'm starting to like it. You know, not much time has went by. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Y'all think? So I got these. They're 16 inches. I don't know the width yet. I'll have to measure when I pull the tire off. I got them because they're a track kind of wheel. They look like Rota R knockoffs, but I'm not entirely sure if they are. The front tires are good, but the rear ones are like really bad, so I need to replace those ASAP. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep this chrome lip. I might paint it white to match the rest of this, because I don't know. So you guys probably might have noticed my crusty fender. Like, this fender is like so messed up. So about the fender issue, I managed to pick up two fenders. I want to put them on, but I feel like it'll look like trash, so I'd rather keep the yellow ones on. But eventually, when I feel like when I have the motivation to paint the fenders, I'll mount them. But yo, excuse the mess, dude. Like, it's so bad back here. Alright, it's so bad. Like, there's like a spider right there. So what happens is they all come down from this tree and they just build like webs all the way from like the tree to the ground. So it is terrifying out here. Like it gives me such bad anxiety, dude. Like, it's But yeah, here's the fenders. I mean, they're in good condition. They are OEM. The only thing I don't like is it has the quick release for the front bumper. And the only reason I have that on my car is because I used to be all about the super sexy slam lowlife, but not anymore. So look at this, boy. Oh boy, that's so many spider webs. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, that's terrifying. Yo, there's like one right there. Yo, it's so terrifying out here, dude. I'm going back inside before I get eaten. But yeah, I'm like definitely digging the wheels. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If someone is willing to trade Rota slips for these wheels, I'm gonna do it. Like, I don't know. Maybe I won't. But yeah, you guys, there's the wheels. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the wheels, hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know you guys' opinions on it. And sorry for the really short video. I was just so excited that I couldn't contain myself. Dismounting the wheels. I'm pretty sure you guys know what it's like when you first get your wheels. You want them on there. Like, props to the guys who get their wheels and have to wait like a week to get tires. Like, I wouldn't be able to do it. I just drive around on the rims themselves. No tires. Drive on the railroad tracks. Alright guys, well, it's been fun, you guys. And till the next video, peace.